continuing with Chapter 6. We're going to go over coupons and rebates today. How many of y'all have seen the show Extreme Coupon? Okay? Extreme Coupon. That's where these people, they go to grocery stores with hundreds of coupons and they may buy $1,500 worth of groceries and spend $30. Yeah. They can do that well. You can't do that as well down here, but you can up north. So we're looking at coupons and rebates. What do you think a coupon is? What does it do?
Coupon, it saves money.
Okay, it saves money. Okay? So it saves money. So let's say that you have a 50-cent coupon. How much money is that actually saving? Okay? You think? Is there a chance that it's actually saving more money than 50 cents? Okay? Let's look at it real quick. Okay, so a coupon, what it does is it takes off from the selling price, from how much that price is on the shelf. Well, like we've already covered, we have to pay taxes. And the taxes are based on how much the selling price is. So if the selling price is less, we have to pay less taxes. So let's say that we have an item that's, we'll say $5. So we have a $5 item. So we're going to do one that has a 50-cent coupon and one that doesn't. Okay, so this one right here, we have a 50-cent coupon. So if we subtract that 50 cents, our item is now $4.50. Okay? So now this one's $4.50. This one is $5. Let's say tax is 10%. So we would multiply by that 10% to get tax, which would be 45 cents. Well, here we multiply by 10% to get 50 cents. Okay? So, in order to find out how much the item costs, we add that tax back to that amount. So the 50 cents plus the $5 makes this one $5.50. And this one was $4.50 plus the 45 cents to give us $4.95. So a 50-cent coupon actually saved you how much? How much cheaper is this one than this one? 55 cents. Okay? So a coupon can actually save you a little more money. So what we're doing is we're looking at how much the coupon is, and we're going to subtract it from the price that the item is. So if we look at example 1 on page 265, it says Gil purchased a 12-speed bicycle for $249. Let's close this real quick. So the bicycle was $249. And his brother purchased a bicycle for $349. So we're going to have to find out how much we actually have first. So $349? $349. So we add all that up to get 598. So that's the total selling price. But once again, the selling price is how much it costs in the store. If you try to give them that amount, they will kindly call the cops on you. Okay? You've got to pay a little bit extra. But for now, we're going to look at the coupon. It said each had a coupon for $25 off one bicycle. So how many coupons do we actually have? Two. So if the coupon was $25 and we have two, we have a total of $50 off. And so a coupon, it's similar to cash. You give it to them, it takes that much off of your total. So we do $598 minus $50 to give us $548. So that's how much the selling price is now after the coupons. Okay, and coupons, they're not hard to find. You just got to take the time and look. In fact, today, whenever I leave, I'm headed to Toys R Us because my daughter's birthday is Sunday. And I'm going to get her a little Power Wheel. Well, I found the one I wanted. I knew how much it was, so I Googled whatever it was, and then coupons, and I found one for $60 off. Okay? So you can actually save a lot of money by using coupons. You just got to take a little bit of time and look. Now those extreme couponers, they spend between 20 and 40 hours a week cutting coupons. And that takes a lot. But you can take a little bit of time and save it. Alright, so what you're doing is finding out how many coupons you have, how much they are, and subtracting it from the total selling price. Any questions on that? Okay, I'm going to have you work 2 problems. I want you to work number 1 and number 2 on page 265. Whenever you get done, turn to the person either beside you or behind you and check your work against theirs. Problems number 1 and number 2. Once you get done, check your work with you. The person beside you or behind you. Compare your answers. If you got the same answers, then let me know. I'll check and see if you did right. If you didn't get the same answers, see if you can figure out what the other person did.
On the coupon, you know how like I watched a couple times and they like the store ends up paying them money. How is that?
Okay. Because they have more coupons, and some stores will actually give you credit. Whenever our daughter was born, Enfamil sends you these little $5 coupons to go buy Enfamil baby formula. Well, most places won't let you do it, but I think if you purchase extra stuff, say the canister costs $18 after tax, well, my wife would have 4 of them to use, so they would say, well, there's $20 towards the bill. Because Target's then going to turn around and send those to Enfamil, who's going to reimburse Target for those $20. So even though they're paying the person, they're getting reimbursed. But a lot of stores won't do that. They'll say, okay, you owe this much. They're never going to give you money. That's just around here. Because most of those places are up north. That's the northern states that are. Okay. How we doing? Just subtract. Okay. All right. Well, as soon as he gets done, compare your answers. See how you doing. Okay, it seems like the majority of y'all have them done. We'll go ahead and I'll give you 1 more minute, then we'll go ahead and go over these. Like I said, the majority of y'all already have them done. Does anybody need more time? No. Is everybody done? Okay, then let's go over these. Let's see, Hannah, how much was the sale price after the coupon for number 1?
$4.04.
$4.04. Did anybody not get that? Okay. You get it as well? Alright, check it and see if you missed something. If not, we'll go over it. We'll go over the other one, then I'll check back with you. Alright, number 2. Mary, what did you get for the final price? $2.94. Okay? Anybody not get that? Alright. So that was a pretty easy lesson. All you're doing is you're subtracting the coupon from the selling price to get the new selling price. And the next couple of lessons we'll take a little bit further. It will involve, we'll incorporate it with the selling prices and taxes, things like that. Okay? Any questions on that? All right.